Hello, hello. We got live stream number 91. Live stream 91. These things fly by. I really can't believe I'm on number 91 already. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Make sure everything is working here. Oh, hold on. Forgot something. Once again, I forgot to turn my humidifier on. So I'm gonna have to do that in a minute. How's it going, Tiger? Yeah, I need humidity in my life. This is a fact. Oh man, had a fantastic day yesterday. Best day of the year, I think. It was also my birthday on Wednesday. So it was almost like the Forex gods blessed me a wonderful session and fireworks. You feeling lazy and tired today? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I was too. But I still got everything done. I was just kind of felt a little sluggish throughout the day. What am I forgetting? I'm forgetting something. Humidifier. You said on Wednesday I'm gonna make bank. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Dollar is coming down as of now. And looks like it might be coming down for the rest of the session. Now, unfortunately, I'm not sure if this is actual NFP day today. Because I'm pretty sure it's supposed to say non-farm payroll. That's what NFP stands for. So it might be, let me see. I had to look at next Friday. Yeah, no. So I'm pretty sure it's today, right? NFP today? Why is it not on there? We see non-farm employment change. I don't know. Maybe I'm reading that wrong. You know I don't trade the NFP anyway, so I might have that wrong. Or it might have been last week. I don't know. But if it is NFP day, it means that it's probably going to be a little bit less volume than usual. That is usually the case. But again, I'm thinking the dollar is probably coming down. It might pull back a little bit. Let's go ahead and look at the majors. The NFP makes the dollar move like a lot. So it makes all the other pairs move a lot too. And that affects the stocks, gold, the indexes, all the different currency pairs. It's a pretty big deal. Only happens once a month. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll be able to trade the major pairs today for that reason, and they're not really giving a clear direction right now, so I might not be trading the majors today, but I'll try to find something else instead. I'm thinking the odd NZD is going to be coming up today if it hasn't already started. Might get a move up here too on the U franc. S&P looks like it's still going up. $5.15, 1 hour, 4 hour. Okay, there we go. Possibly coming down actually. Yeah, the NFP makes the dollar move a lot. You'll see later today. It happens at, I believe, 5:30 my time, at least 5:30 West Coast time. MKKM, how's it going? You saw that killer day yesterday? Did you see it? You saw that $1,500? I should have made even more. I cut my trade early. Bitcoin's still above 30K. The GBP and Euro cross pairs are actually moving now. A little excited about that. That hasn't happened in a while. All right, EGBP, good old EGBP. Not sure about this one today. It's kind of, yeah, no direction on that one. Yeah, that was my best day this entire year so far. That was a really good day. I was being kind of cautious. I really should have made more, but I didn't want to get greedy. Get greedy, that's usually when you start losing money. So I got my money and I got the hell out of there. Yes, this should be coming up today. Odd NZD should be coming up today. Finally. Took forever. So I'll be on the lookout for that. Yens are looking like they want to come down. Oh yeah, we might have some good yen trades today, which is good because I'm not seeing much else. So let's see, odd NZD is going up. That means NZD JPY. This will be the one that I get in on when it's finally ready. Looks like the yen index is finally ready to go up. We'll go ahead and get in on those. So it should be NZD yen short. I might even have to take it before the open. I want it to go up a little bit further. If I can get it up here to the 21, that'd be a lot better. Yeah, London session doesn't have as much news typically. So it's actually like the easier session to trade, even though New York is technically the better session because it has London and New York trading at the same time. But there's almost always news in the morning, so you have to like battle against the news while you're trying to trade. Oops. Oh my goodness, my calendar has been going off. So many appointments and meetings and God. I had to take a nap. I wear myself out during the day. I just have to take a nap. Yeah, so dollar is probably going to go up before it comes down. I do think it's coming down though. Yeah, New York session it has a lot more volume. Yeah, like I said, you know, probably in October I can trade both sessions. That's what I'm working toward. So I can make double the money, hopefully. I would definitely be okay with that. Oh, okay. Am I missing the move? Hold on. All right, so I need at least one red bar on the 5 minute before I take this. So that might be happening right now. If it's a big giant red bar, I'll wait for it to go back up a little bit. Yeah, I don't think the majors are going to be where it's at today. I think it's all going to be yens and the odd and ZD today. We're in Australia and Japan today. NZD yen. I haven't traded this in a while. This will be interesting. Oh, that's what I'm forgetting. I knew I was forgetting something. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so it looks like getting our first trade here. I don't know if I want to get into it now, but I think I should actually. It's looking like I should, so I think I will. It's too early, that's fine. 8. Okay, so 30. I'll go ahead and sell this here. Okay. All right, so I got a trade already. Feels weird taking a trade this early, but I think it is the move. All right. There's trade number 1. Okay, so you said a lot there. You said you don't know how to use the news to apply to your trade. You don't know how to read them on Forex Factory and what the number means when the news is released. So here's the thing about the news is it's kind of random. So even if, let's say the news event, if the number is positive, the market should go down. It doesn't always work that way because it can't break the technicality of the chart. So whatever the chart is supposed to do, the news usually just amplifies that. So like on a move like this right here, it's very rare that this is just going to reverse back up, although it can happen. So if it's a heavy downtrend on the hourly chart, it's very rare that's going to like break that trend. It might go up for a little bit, but eventually it's going to come back down anyway. So like I said, this move here, this trade that I took just now, it's possible that it's early. And in that case, I would have to re-enter probably up here somewhere. But it's very rare that it's going to come down that hard and then go immediately back up. So the news, it doesn't really matter what happens with the news. The technical patterns are always going to go through regardless. It might interrupt it for a little bit, but it's not going to change it. So there's my advice on news. I wouldn't, it's very much at random. So that's why I don't pay attention to it that much. And that's why I try to avoid the news. It just breaks the flow for no reason, really. That's usually what happens. Boy, it's been extra hot lately. Extra hot. I don't trade fundamentals. I don't really. Yeah, and I'm not a swing trader either. So you'd have to ask someone that does those things. I'm a technical trader and a scalper. So that's what I know about. There's a bunch of different styles of trading. I don't really know how to do that. One thing that's like consistent across all the different charts is heavy trends tend to go in the same direction for a while. Okay, so the odd NZD is not coming up yet, but I do believe at some point in this session that it should start going up, and that'll probably be the second trade that I take. That might only actually be the only 2 trades that I take today. We still got 8 minutes before the open. So we still got some time. All right, give me a second. I'm going to fill up this humidifier thing. I will be right back. Oof. Okay, we got some humidity. Yeah, man, price action is the way to go, for sure. You don't have to depend on a bunch of stuff that usually doesn't work anyway. And honestly, that applies to life too. Less things you have to depend on, the better. Okay, looks like the majors actually are moving. This is a pretty decent trade here. I don't want to take 2 trades before the open. That's a little bit reckless. I'm going to wait. We only have 3 minutes anyway. I'm going to wait until the actual open. I only need to make $600 today. That is the goal. So if I make more than that, then even better. Actually, no, I only need $400 today. Yeah, the majors are moving though. Hopefully this playlist is good. I didn't listen to it beforehand. The cover art looked pretty cool. I'll actually show you. Let's see. But here's the playlist. Some dude chilling down in Miami with his old school Lamborghini. I thought that was pretty cool, so I was like, all right, that's probably a good playlist there. And if you didn't see, the new Mercedes-Benz CLE was revealed today. It is quite beautiful as well. It's on the list. It's definitely on the list because they want me to buy these electric cars and I don't want them. I want a V6 or V8. I want an exhaust note. Yeah, I'm gonna do a withdrawal video soon. There were some security concerns I had to address first before I thought about doing anything like that. Okay, we got 20 seconds before the open. Let's see what happens here. I still think the dollar is going to end up coming down. So I might be able to short this here at some point. All right, 5 seconds. It's going to happen. Okay, so my first trade is looking pretty good. Like I said, there's a possibility that it pulls back a little bit, maybe up to this red line here. In that case, I'll just have to re-enter. It should be a move down regardless. So if I get stopped out on the first one, I'll do it over. Security concerns, I mean, Back in the day, you would never tell people how much money you make, especially if you're making a lot of money. I mean, that's kind of, why would you want to do that? But for the sake of the business and the show and the channel and all this stuff, I'll play along, you know. But it is a little bit risky to be telling people, hey, I just made $10,000. So yeah, you got to make sure that you're in a secure place before you can do anything like that. Still not the best idea, really. It's not something I even really want to be doing, but it's the name of the game right now, apparently. It's like when somebody wins the lottery and then everybody in town knows that person has all this money. No, FTMO is good. They're legit. Visible ID, you said the United States seems like a dangerous place to tell people you have money. It's dangerous to do that anywhere, really. There's not much benefit of telling people that you have money unless you're running a business or doing YouTube or something like that. He said literally almost everyone has guns. No, that's not true. Actually, most people don't have guns, really. Who has guns is the really smart people and the criminals. But all the normal people don't really have them like that. Yeah, I lived in New York for 7 years. There weren't a lot of guns over there. They're pretty strict on guns over there. Yeah, definitely the criminals in New York have guns, but like normal people, it's pretty hard to have one. They're very strict on guns in New York City, at least. I don't know how it is upstate. Okay, Odd NZD is still not coming up yet. Yeah, New York is super dangerous these days. Ever since the C-19. It wasn't dangerous when I was there. It was expensive, but not dangerous. Yep. Yeah, I used to live in the Bronx too. I was in like a nicer part of the Bronx though. It wasn't a bad area where I was. Yeah, this is the only decent trade I see so far. Everything else kind of chopping around. Now this is like a 30 pip trade here, so it might take a while. Oh, you got a Red Bull addiction? I had one earlier. I think it had me wired too. Okay. So this is not a good sign that it's coming up like that. I might actually have to re-enter. Yeah, this is the trade I'm waiting on. This is the good one today. Odd NZD. Odd NZD long. That's going to be the one. Oh, man. Yeah, usually really good days like yesterday are followed by choppy days like today. So what I'm looking for here is just like a big a big move up. A safe entry. As I fully believe this is going up today. Okay, my original trade is looking good still. It's a good sign that didn't get stopped out there. Means it probably will go through. Might take 2 hours, but it should work. Be sure to hit the like button if you haven't already. Helps out the channel quite a bit. Oh yeah, it's looking really good now. I'd be cool with just this one. If I don't get anything else, I should get this one too. I don't see why it wouldn't give me the trade here. I'd like for it to come down a little bit more and then go up. And there's a chance I might short the UCAD possibly. Okay. This might be the move here. So I want to see one big bar and at least like one more bar after that before I do anything. Like I said, I would prefer it came down a little bit further, but I might just have to take it from here instead. Man, this might end up being another $1,200 day. That'll put me at $3,200 for the week. Pretty damn good, especially on a holiday week. Yeah, I think I gotta get into this now, actually. Let's see. Okay, I'm actually going to go ahead and just get into this now. I don't want to miss the move, and this one's very prone to like going up really fast. Okay. All right, so I got two really good trades. Hopefully they both go through. If they do, like I said, that'll be $1,200 for the day. $43.5. So one important thing to note about FTMO, at least for the regular accounts, you're not allowed to hold the trades over the weekend. So I had to set an alarm for myself on Friday at 1:30 West Coast time to close all my trades. I don't think this one will take that long. It probably will take maybe 5 hours for this one to go through. It's probably going to chop around for a little bit and then finally go through. So hopefully it'll be done before 1:30 tomorrow. And I think I'm going short over here also. Little on the risky side. Maybe not on that one, actually. That might be a little bit too risky. I've already got two good trades. There's no point in possibly losing money for no reason. This one's still chopping around. Like I said, this one will probably take 2 hours as well. Both of these trades are going to take a while. They've got a long way to go. Yeah, Tiger. FTMO has a special swing trade version of the accounts, but you can't risk as much and the leverage is lower. It's not as good, but they do allow for you to hold trades over the weekend on that account, but on the regular ones you can't. I don't hold trades over the weekend anyway, so it really doesn't matter to me. Most of my trades go through within like 5 hours. So I don't really care about that anyway. All right, so far so good. Both trades are looking pretty good. Oh, damn. Yeah, if you trade for long enough, you'll figure out which style fits you better. I like to pop in here and make my money and leave within like 2 hours. So scalping is my cup of tea. You know, there's a bunch of different styles, like I was saying. Why is this so huge? Okay, and here's that new CLE for anybody that didn't see. It's not a car fanatic like me. What do you think? Looks good, right? And they put a V6, or sorry, an inline 6 in it too. So it's not all electrified like the rest of these damn cars are. I kind of like it. I want to see all these cars in person before I make a decision. As soon as I start making enough money to afford these cars, they want to turn them all electric. Okay, this trade's looking great. My other one, I'm going to double the stop on this one. It needs some more space. Like I was saying, I do want it to come down a little further. So I'll give it the 2 stop on that one. Should be okay. It's beneath this level here. That should be fine. You said, but isn't scalping stressful? Not to me, it isn't. Some people think it is. Those are the people that are swing traders. If it's too stressful for you, just swing trade instead. You live in New York. You should be fast-paced already. I didn't realize how fast-paced that place was until I left. Okay, I was on like 10x speed over there. Yeah, I gotta keep an eye on this one. I don't know if I want to triple the stop, because if it does fail, that's gonna negate my other trades. So I'll keep an eye on it. This should be fine here. I don't like how big that bar is though. Yeah, you like to be fast paced. Exactly. Okay. So I'm a little worried about this one here, but this one looks pretty good. It's extra hot today. Okay. Be sure to hit the like button, everybody. Helps out the stream, helps out the channel. I do appreciate it. Giving out all this free info and amazing trades. Consistently. Yeah, the majors are looking kind of untradeable today. I'm going to leave those alone. I bet for the New York session they'll be moving though. Okay, as soon as I say that. Yeah, I feel kind of weird shorting into that heavy trend like that. I don't think I'm gonna do that. All right, quick bathroom break. I'll be right back. Okay. This trade should be okay. It's a pretty heavy trend. So it should be alright. It does still have like 20 pips to go though. So like I said, it might take a minute. If at least one of these trades goes through, then I still get my goal. But if they both fail, that'd be pretty bad. I'll still be up quite a bit for the week anyway. Even if that does happen, which it probably won't. Pretty unlikely. Yeah, this is a pretty typical for the NFP London session. It's like super slow and kind of choppy, not moving all the way normal. Pretty typical. My trade went all the way back to my entry. All right. So this is hitting this level now. As soon as this starts to go up, this will start to come down. Like I was saying, when I took the trades, I do think both of these are going to take a long time to go through. Most likely a couple of hours. So I'm just looking around now to see if I want to take anything else. So far, I don't see anything, but I'll give it maybe another 15 minutes. Probably just going to be these two trades today. Yeah, depending on what happens, I might even take a second trade on the odd NZD, since it came down a little bit further than I thought it would. I could actually go short here too. Not great though. Nah, that's not good. That's not. I'll skip that one. Yeah, I do want to get one more trade just in case, in the case that these two fail, I'll at least be able to break even on it. Okay, so it looks like the odd NZD is coming up now. That should push this trade through as well. Now I got too cold. All right. Yep, today is exactly how I thought it would be. Pretty slow, pretty choppy. right, super slow movement today. Okay, got 1 o'clock coming up. You get a little bit of movement for whatever reason on the hour. So let's see what happens here. Got about a minute before that happens. Right. At least back in a profit on my yen trade. Odd NZD still hasn't gone back up though, or hasn't started going up yet. I'm gonna have to sit here and wait for it. So I'm thinking it might go up pretty fast, hopefully. Like I said, as long as I get one of these, I'll be okay with either one going through. Prefer both, obviously, to go through, but if I can get just one, that's fine. And today is like my punishment for doing so good yesterday. You're gonna make me sit here until 1:30 or something. All I need is a big green bar here. That's it. That's all I'm looking for. Okay, here we go. Finally. All right. Here's that green bar I was looking for. Or is it? Hasn't fully formed yet. Okay. All right, so it's going way slower than it needs to, so I'll go ahead and call the stream there. I'll have a recap in the morning on what happened, and I'll actually have a weekly recap on Saturday morning. Go ahead and look out for that. Go ahead and hit the like button if you enjoy the streams. And I will see you guys in the recap video. Later.